Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So, or if you're new, hello, my name is Julia. Welcome. So I'm going to be like very quiet ASMR Julia because Jesse's actually next door putting Penelope to bed. So anyways, today we're gonna dye our eyebrows at home for very cheap, $2.99 to be exact. So I use hair dye. I am not a professional, so I haven't gone to beauty school or anything like that. I just like experimenting with hair dye. Oh, hi Alice. Oh my gosh, do you guys remember Alice being in the videos all the time? Oh, I love it. It's gonna be loud to get her. Anyways, the black dog, if you're familiar with my channel and my pups. Anyways, so where was I at? But yeah, no professional, so this is just what I do at home. But I got the Revlon Colorsilk beautiful color hair dye, and I got mine in the shade 30 dark brown. So I already mixed it. I just followed the directions. You just pour this guy in here. I am going to put some gloves on, and so I already outlined my eyebrows because this does stain your skin a little bit. So I don't really go anywhere anyways, but if you're gonna go somewhere, I would outline your eyebrows first, so that way if they get stained, it's not crazy. I've done that before. So I am going to just take this, pour a little bit in my hand. You really don't need a lot. Okay, and I'm just taking a little makeup brush, and that's what I'm gonna use to pretty much just paint my eyebrows. Okay, so now it recommends to leave it on for 25 minutes. I have super stubborn eyebrows, so I leave it on for the full 25 minutes, and we will come back. Actually, I'm gonna hop in the shower after that, and then I'll come back and show you guys the result. So see you guys in about 30 minutes. Okay guys, so this is what it ends up looking like after you wash it off. So as you can see, it's a little stained. The stain does go away after time. So like this video if you would like me to show what it looks like after a couple days after the dye starts to fade. Thanks for the like. Now you get to see what it looks like the next day. Anyways, and you get to see me fresh and lively in the morning. Anyways, this is what it looks like the day after. As you can see, some of the fading went away, or some of the staining faded away, and yeah, this is what, oh, there was someone riding his bike out the window. But anyways, yeah, so this is what it looks like. I figured I would answer maybe a couple questions that might come up. How often do I do this? I do it about every month or two, just depending on when I look in the mirror and say like, oh, I wish my eyebrows were a little darker. And then another thing I probably will get is does it burn your skin? Like, does it irritate your skin? So I have really sensitive skin. However, they do not recommend you using hair dye on your skin and your face. So I guess what I do is a big no-no, but I've never had an issue with it or anything like that. It doesn't burn. Actually, maybe it tingles a little bit at first, but I don't get rashes or burns or anything from that. But if you're nervous about it, maybe try like a little like patch on towards the ends, and then yeah, if it burns, just take it off right away. So anyways, yeah, let's get into the outro. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Give it a like if you plan on trying it, if you think this is helpful. I'm kind of thinking of maybe doing, do you guys want, I shave my face sometimes. Do you guys want to see that? Or is I shave my face videos like too overdone? And then I'm also might post a video of me trimming my hair at home. So yeah, I've been doing a lot of my beauty things at home. I always do a lot of things at home. Anyways, I'll let you guys go. I will talk to you guys in my next video.